Now at first we're going to Play Store and search Clip Clap app. Now click Clip Clap rewards your interest. Now installing. 76% downloading and 97 and installing. This is an awesome earning site. You are earning playing video. You show video and earning. Now we are going to continue with Google. Click continue with Google. Now we are select collect 551 yahoo@gmail.com. Click here. This is the login my another ID and login my ID collect. Now if you want to share your video, this website and this app link promoting this app. This is the awesome views you generate. Now we are play one video and generate my coins. This site. This video already completed and my class completed. Now I hope this understand. If you earning this method, now click open and box, click and generate 505 and now again click and now and again, now and again. Now this method use it your earning. A lot of earning site you find here and generate this earning site and coin gains dollar and converting this exchange PayPal and transferring your balance. Now shortly we are some earning site show you that you are earning this app. We are every reward use earning Clipclap, free games, Amazon gift cards and free $10 Amazon coupon and free cream $1 earned and some important notice find you and payment method PayPal 10 cent and $15, $10, $20, $30, $40 and $15 your transaction every day. Now cash out only PayPal. This method use it. I hope this understand. Now we are playing some games. This is a awesome method for you. Yes, this congratulations 50 cent 0.50 already were earning. This is an awesome app for you. You are sharing your YouTube video and you show your another video and anyone upload video you show and earning. I hope this method use it you're earning every day. Now clicking and earning already 15 cent. We are already earning 0.55 cent. Only 4 times this method use it. We see a video, this video earning and game playing to help us. Now we are earning another way. Try your luck card and rule. Click. Congratulations. Now This share your earning and refer code. Use it. And we are already earning $1. Now roll in. Click. Now we are playing a video.
Oh my god, I just won $500. Look! Wow. Oh my god. Yes. That's another $10. I just won $100 playing this game! Woo!
This is awesome for your earning site. I hope this method use it and earning every day. If you don't subscribe the channel, and please subscribe and press the bell icon and share your friend that they are benefited. Thank you very much. See you very soon.